Right, you can see there's a wee bit of a police presence. I don't know what's going on, something's going on. Unsure, but they're not letting anybody go past. So we're going to turn left here and walk along the Golden Mile. Wow, never cease to amaze me how beautiful Tenerife is. Hard Rock Cafe, nice waterfall, beautiful. So this area is like the busiest area here in Tenerife. I believe it's got fancy restaurants, lots of fancy shops, designer shops. It's got a beautiful fountain. It's got, lots of bars. Very expensive in this area though. But I like this area. I think it's beautiful. You know what I mean? Okay, you've got the beautiful fountain on just now. Gorgeous. Don't want to get copyrighted, but how beautiful is that fountain? Now there's the chicken nugget man. Very good, very nice. Last time he charged me €10. Not today, not today, sir, not today. So nighttime in Tenerife is where everything happens. Everybody comes out at nighttime. People stick to the hotels during the day, the pools, all-inclusive resorts. And then at night, it all happens. You can get a grilled lobster for €45. You know, I am noticing that quite a lot now. Massive police presence. Massive police presence. Is this a new thing now? Like the looky men didn't come what today. There's literally police every few hundred yards. So either this is a crackdown on looky men, or something's going on tonight. See that gorgeous sunset in the distance there? Absolutely stunning. Oh my god. Oh, that is absolutely scary as hell. Pennywise. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, kids' nightmares. Oh god, everywhere now. You got Mickey now there. Fucking hell. Fucking Mickey. What's going on? Tenerife is turning into Disney.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only been, what, 6 months since I last came here? And already I'm noticing a massive change with all these, like, characters. You see them in New York. You take a picture with them and then they'll charge you, whatever, €5, €10. Let's cross over. Look at that gorgeous sunset. Got the bank over there, steakhouse. Anybody been there? Let me know in the comments. But this is why we're coming down here. Get this amazing sunset. Okay, how beautiful is the sunset? Absolutely stunning. And here we are. Beautiful. Can't beat views like that. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Yeah, I can't get over how stunning the views are. I mean, the sun is just about to go down completely. Absolutely beautiful. Just the breeze with the air as well. Oh, I love Tenerife, honestly. But I am going to end the video there. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful walk along Playa Las Americas, the Golden Mile. Don't know what's going on with the Disney stuff. You know what I mean? It's like everybody's dressing up these days. But beautiful sunset, and I'm going to end the video there. So take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.